Welcome to this video where I'll be introducing you to an incredible technique that can help you manifest your desires quickly and effectively. This method, originally taught by Neville Goddard, has yielded remarkable results for me and countless others who have applied it. I'm thrilled to share it with you today, so let's dive right in. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. The Neville Goddard method is a potent technique that aims to harness the power of your subconscious mind to manifest your deepest desires. At its core, this method revolves around the notion that your thoughts and feelings have the ability to shape your reality. By utilizing your imagination and cultivating positive emotions, you can create the life you truly desire. To begin this method, it is crucial to identify what you want to manifest. Whether it's material possessions or intangible experiences like love and joy, clearly define your desire. Once you have done so, create a vivid and detailed mental image of it. For example, if you desire a new job, imagine yourself already working in your dream position, sitting at your desk, feeling fulfilled and content. The key is to immerse your mind in the richness of these details, making the image as real as possible. After creating this mental image, it's time to infuse it with emotions. This is where the Neville Goddard method truly comes alive. You must feel as though your desire has already been fulfilled. Experience happiness, excitement, and gratitude as if your desire is a reality. By feeling these emotions, you convey to your subconscious mind that your desire has already been manifested, prompting it to work towards making it a tangible experience. Now here's where the Neville Goddard method becomes even more fascinating. Neville Goddard believed that you can manifest your desires while you sleep. During sleep, your subconscious mind is highly active and receptive to suggestion. To manifest your desires by morning, you must go to bed with the belief that your desire has already been fulfilled. As you drift off to sleep, feel the same happiness, excitement, and gratitude you experienced while envisioning your desire. Hold on to this vivid mental image as your subconscious mind begins to work on bringing it into your reality. It's worth noting that the Neville Goddard method is not a one-time technique. It can be utilized every night to manifest your desires. However, immediate results should not be expected. Consistent practice is crucial, as it strengthens your ability to shift your focus from what you lack to what you already possess, an essential aspect of manifestation. When you focus on abundance and gratitude, you attract more of the same into your life. In addition to using the Neville Goddard method before sleep, you can also integrate it into your daily routine. Throughout the day, visualize yourself already in possession of your desire and experience the associated emotions. By repeatedly engaging in this process, you train your subconscious mind to actively bring your desires into reality. Personally, I have successfully employed the Neville Goddard method to manifest numerous things in my life. One of the most powerful examples occurred when I aimed to manifest a new car. Despite longing for it for years, I couldn't afford it. One night I decided to try the Neville Goddard method. I imagined myself driving my dream car, feeling the wind in my hair and the warmth of the sun on my face. With happiness, excitement, and gratitude, I fell asleep. To my astonishment, the following morning, a friend emailed me, stating that she needed to sell her car urgently as she was relocating overseas. She offered to sell it to me for a fraction of its actual value. Overjoyed, I immediately accepted her offer, and now I get to drive my dream car every day. Similarly, I recommended the Neville Goddard method to a friend who had been struggling to find a job for months. After several applications and interviews with no job offers, he decided to give it a try. Visualizing himself working in his desired role, feeling fulfilled and content, he fell asleep with that image in mind. The very next day, he received a call from a company he had applied to weeks earlier. They were impressed with his resume and wanted to schedule an interview. During the interview, he exuded confidence, knowing that he had already secured the job in his mind. A few days later, he received the job offer, which he gladly accepted. He was amazed at how quickly the Neville Goddard method had worked for him, accrediting his success to the power of his subconscious mind. Now, he wholeheartedly endorses the Neville Goddard method to others seeking to manifest their desires. The Neville Goddard method is a potent technique that can help you manifest your desires quickly and easily. It is founded on the belief that your thoughts and feelings have the power to shape your reality, allowing you to create the life you truly desire. So, why not give it a try tonight? You may awaken to find that your desires have become a tangible reality.